This is Daily Tech Now, where we cover breaking news in the tech industry every day. In today's news, the EU outlines a plan for a clean tech future boosted by subsidies. Apple discontinues its Intel based Mac Mini, and Google continues to move forward with their ad targeting component despite pushback from critics. The European Union is pushing forward with a Green Deal industrial plan to promote clean tech and innovation, with a goal of becoming climate neutral by 2050. The plan will make it easier to provide subsidies for green industries and fund EU-wide projects. The EU Commission President also stated that the EU will counter unfair trading practices, particularly from China and the United States. The plan will be discussed amongst EU member nations before a summit on February 9th and 10th. The EU is also trying to reduce its dependence on Russia for energy and on China for rare earth materials, critical for the development of clean energy technology. In other news, Apple has discontinued its Intel-based Mac Mini computers and now only offers three main variants of the desktop, powered by its own M2 and M2 Pro chips. This means that the only remaining computer left to transition to Apple Silicon is the Mac Pro. Apple has initially stated that it is expecting the transition from Intel to Apple Silicon to take around 2 years, but has missed its self-imposed deadline. The Mac Pro has been delayed due to multiple changes to its features, a shift in the company's plan for high-end processors, and potential relocation of its manufacturing. The highest-end Mac Mini now is the M2 Pro powered version, which starts at $1,299. Finally, Google has decided to ignore the W3C's call to rethink its ad targeting component called Topics API, which is a key part of Google's Privacy Sandbox proposal to evolve the ad tech stack that Chrome supports for targeting advertising. The W3C Technical Architecture Group raised a series of concerns following Google's request for an early design review of the Topic API, stating that the proposed Topic API does not protect users from unwanted tracking and profiling, and maintains the status quo of inappropriate surveillance on the web. Despite the opposition from the web infrastructure experts, the UK's privacy watchdog, the Information Commission's Office, appears to be letting Google proceed with the proposal, despite the risk of perpetuating privacy intrusions that have mirrored the ad tech industry in regulatory and reputational issues for years. This has been your daily tech news, and please subscribe and come back for more tomorrow.